Welcome everyone, I am Geeta, your host and guide on this cosmic journey. Have you ever wondered how machines can generate the content, learn from data, and assist business in unprecedented ways? Whether you are a seasonal professional or someone just start to explore the world of artificial intelligence, this video is packed with captivating world of generative AI, where algorithm dance with creativity and innovation knows no bounds. Buckle up as we unravel the mysteries of tomorrow, one pixel at a time. Minds of Tomorrow. Generative AI wonders where imagination meets innovation. Imagine an artist whose canvas is line of code and whose brush strokes are neural networks. In this playlist, we will explore the marvels of generative AI, tapping into interesting minds of tomorrow. From dreamlike landscape to abstract symphonies, prepare to be struck by limitless possibilities. Our video showcases the fusions of art and science, where generative AI crafts visual wonders that defy imaginations. From mesmerizing fractals to ethereal landscapes, each frame whispers, "This is the future." Beyond the horizontal lines, a place where lines between imagination and reality blur. Join us on this expedition as we dive into generative AI, which has impact across diverse fields. Our pixels are more than just one pixels. They are brushstrokes on the canvas of innovation. Minds of Tomorrow contributes to the great masterpiece, the future we are collectively shaping. It's our collaborator in building a better tomorrow. From ChatGPT to game development, peek behind the digital curtains as we explore the role of generative AI, reshaping conversations and revolutionizing game designs. Whether it's a ChatGPT banter or programmatically generated game worlds, the wonder of technologies await us. Don't miss a moment of future. Hit the play button, like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech World with Preet. Let's ride the binary lines together, where imagination meets innovation. By end of this playlist, you have a better understanding of generative AI. So without further ado, let's get started.